everyone, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to film some self-care activities that I have done throughout the week. So I'm going to play that footage now. I'm cooking dinner tonight for myself and I'm making chicken in the oven with some vegetables. I'm gonna put the chicken in the egg, in the breadcrumbs, and then on the pan, cut up some vegetables, top with oil, salt, and rosemary. Throw it in the oven at 400 for around 50 minutes. I just added some potatoes as well, I almost forgot. Hey everyone, I'm gonna do some reading and writing. I'm very grateful to be able to do these self-care activities that really calm the mind and the body. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you and take care.